Oh my. What's good, everybody? It's your boy David again, and I'm back with another reaction video for tonight. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click the post notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. So let's jump into the video. So welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well and doing fine. I'm doing well, don't worry, I'm fine, and I got a little time to do this reaction, so hope you guys would enjoy this one. Now let's go to the video. This is suggested by my friend. Her name is Annie. Annie, if you're watching this video, thank you for your suggestion. And yeah, I'm going to react to this video. I asked her about this video. What is this video? She said it's a horror short clip video. I think this is going to be my second or my first time to react to a horror short video. Yeah, it's just 3 minutes and 31 seconds. So I really don't watch horror movies because I don't like it. Yeah, I'm scared of it. I'm scared of it, and I'm not ashamed about it. But I can still watch if I have, you know, friends with me or someone with me. I can still watch, but most of the time if I'm alone, I don't watch horror clips, horror movies. So this is going to be a challenge. It's like a challenge, not a reaction video, but a challenge. Well, yeah, let's go to the video and turn down the volume a bit. Okay, well, let's go to the video, and I'm not ready, but let's jump into it. I don't want to continue this video. Oh my goodness, why did I? What's that? It feels like anytime there's someone is just jumped into the video and, you know, it scares the hell out of me. But oh, I really don't like to continue this video. I don't know. Should I stop this video? I'm not joking around. I'm not joking around. But time check. It's 2 a.m. Actually, it's 2 a.m. now in the Philippines. It's 2 a.m. That's why I'm kind of scared. I'm really scared. Oh my. I really don't like to continue this bit. Annie, I'm sorry. Annie, I'm really. Somebody just cried. Somebody's crying. Somebody's crying out there. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding, man. I'm really scared. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. Now I'm recording this video. Well, this is what YouTubers do to please you, to please y'all, to please everybody. Well, I have no choice.
Someone here?
She's using some kind of telescope or something like that, and I'm really sweating out, promise. I'm really sweating. I don't have any. Yeah, let's go to the video. Oh my.
Who are you?
I told you. And then it appears. It reappears. Somebody's outside. I told you, this device has the ability to capture demons, monsters, devils, ghosts. I told you. Nobody's there.
What do you want?
I think it will reappear. It's just her imagination. It's just her baby. I know some. Yeah, you look right. I told you.
From my son!
I told.
I don't think he's breathing, dear.
Oh my goodness. Who was that? Who is that? Who is that? Woo! I made it. I made it. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. To be honest, yeah, it was really scary at first, but the last few scenes, for the last few parts, it was not that scary anymore, because I think I'm more scared when I hear someone's crying but nobody's around. That's the level of, horror that we are afraid of. Someone's crying and then nobody's around. That's everybody's nightmare, right? That's everybody's nightmare. But the last few characters, it was creepy though, but it was not that scary. I'm just glad I just finished the video. If you guys like my reaction, so please do like this video. Comment down below what videos you want me to react to next. And again, thank you Annie for suggesting this. Although I don't really, enjoyed it, but I had fun, with I know my reaction is going to be a shame for me. But thank you for suggesting this video. I'll see you guys next time. Much love everybody. Bye.